Hello everyone out there, this is The Prodigy, and I'm just coming to you with a quick video this morning. I just kind of went into autopilot software that comes with our advanced level. And of course, the link below this video is where you would get started to actually grab the software, and to get into the advanced level of email processing 3.0. But what the software actually does, I just want to clear up a lot of confusion. What it actually does is it basically drives the traffic you need. If to be successful online, you got to have that right type of traffic coming through, because without leads, there is no success. Without traffic, there is no money. There is no conversions. Now, when I say traffic, I don't want you to think, hey, you can go on Google and type in get website traffic, and you're going to get a bunch of these companies that say, hey, we'll send you 1,000 views for $5, a million views for $100. Guys, I want you to think quantity. I want you to think quality, not quantity, because you can have 1,000 members come to your site, and if it's not targeted traffic, it could just be robot traffic, and you're not going to see one conversion. You can have millions come and not see one conversion. That's why I want you to think quality, not quantity, because quality is what we're looking for. Quality traffic, and that's exactly what our software actually drives. It drives tier 1 traffic, and this traffic is the same type of traffic that Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, those type of companies charge you, $5 to $10 a click for. So, that paid marketing that you have to pay $100 just to make $150, you're going to be using that type of traffic with our automation software. So it's going to be driving you in a limited amount of that type of traffic at a very fast pace. And just keep in mind, it's going to guarantee you at least $300 to $500 a day with little to no work on your end in our advanced level using our automation software. Right now, today we're actually taking $100 off the advanced level. So instead of it being $250, it's actually $150. The original price is $350, so you're actually getting $250 off today. So $150 for our advanced level, which comes with that automation software, which is going to guarantee you pay-per-click traffic without paying for that traffic. So you're going to get an unlimited amount of that traffic. And on top of that, guys, we're also going to be closing the sales for you. Of course, we make a 25% commission, but hey, what's 25% out of 250? What's 25% out of 150? Especially when we're doing all the hard work for you. So guys, with our autopilot software, it's going to be driving the traffic. We're going to be on the other end closing those sales. And the reason why we do that is because 50% of most people fail. They don't know how to explain a company, so they get confused and they give up. We don't want that happening to you. We want you to be able to see money. We want you to be able to see results. That way you can continue working and becoming a pro, because we're also going to be teaching you in the background how we're closing these sales. We're going to be teaching you in the background how we're marketing, because most of our members in our advanced level is generating anywhere from $800 to $1,500 a day, also using our manual marketing in the back, which is basically my 10 years of success. All my secrets are going to be revealed to you. I'm not like most marketers out there that hide everything. I want to make sure you're seeing results. God blessed me with these gifts to be able to market, to be able to make money, and to be able to bless the world. And I've had my success. I've had my fame. I've had all the money I needed in the world. And what I want to do now is make sure you're on that same level. So guys, go ahead and grab that automation software. The link is below in the description. It's godslifequotes.com. I want to challenge you. I'm not like most marketers out there. Call me at 239-362-6591. And if you're phone shy, shoot me a text at 239-362-6591. Guys, stop failing. It's time to succeed. And I'm talking to you, because if you're watching this video, then you're failing. You're failing. You're looking for ways to make money, and you're not making that kind of money that you need to be making. And I want to make sure that you watching this video right now, is succeeding and you're not failing. You've already probably failed hundreds of times, and it's time to start succeeding. And we're going to guarantee those results in our advanced level of email processing 3.0. God is great, and I hope God blesses, and God will bless all out there. Guys, ask and you shall receive, and God will put it in front of you. There's a reason why He put this video in front of you today. Follow the link, give me a call, and let me bless your life. Let me show you success. Let me bring God into your life, because He's in my life. He's holding me up right now. He's got a grasp of my spirit, and He wants me to share everything with the world. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Everyone out there, may God be with you. I look forward to talking to you, and let's get you making some money. Everyone have a blessed day.